tell us about the block, like
Yeah.
the concept?
So the block is designed by, well, Brady drums are really famous for the block snares. That's why they become kind of famous, because everyone else was doing ply back then. So Chris himself made he made a snare from a hollow tree, hollow wood. It's just one piece of wood.
Yeah.
And can you imagine how hard that is to make one?
Oh man,
Yeah.
definitely.
Cool. So later on I found out the snare sounds really massive. It's got a really good crack, really dry, perfect for studio recordings.
Yep.
So the Jara block and the Jara ply in this size 14x6.5 are the Brady most popular snares.
Awesome.
Yeah. So this one has serial numbers Jara block 800.
Oh, okay,
So
cool.
it's matching the kit, and maybe selling that kit. We're doing a demo on a kit, so you know how it sounds like.
It's making those snares ring. So much more like controlled, the sound, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's sick.